Guys, so I'm at the property today trying to resolve the little issue with the piping. Had a really great idea from a friend, and I kind of switched things around a little bit, because instead of just getting something that went inside the hole that's currently visible, I decided to just put like a screw on the end of it, so that way I could twist it into place just enough where I can pull it out. So I've already prepared the bottom of the tubing with the connection piece. So I'm just gonna wait until it dries up and then I'm gonna try it out. But aside from that little issue to take care of, I bought a tent. So happy. The guy was great. He set it up for me just to show me how to do it. And then when I saw the size of it, I was just like even happier. But anyways, I'm probably gonna put it up somewhere, so that way for the time being I can put my tools and stuff. And that way I can clean up and continue working inside the RV, you know, without having so much clutter inside. So I don't think I'm gonna spend the night here tonight, but at least, you know, things are looking up, so I'm happy. So I will put the time lapse, so that way when I'm ready to do the whole plumbing thing, so see if that works. Crossing my fingers.